Here I'm back with another TV. Today we're going to have multiplayer stunt car racing with Lucky Patcher. So all you gotta do, you gotta go to Lucky Patcher, right? Wait, no, I'm sorry guys. Don't go to Lucky Patcher yet. First, you gotta go to stunt car racing, right? What you gotta do just to sign up. They said that this was a new update. Doesn't look like it was a new update, so I don't know what's the new updation. So first we gotta go to stunt car racing, right? So here I'm just putting my side. There's something wrong. I don't know why I'm connected. I don't know if it's wrong or something. Let me see for real. Let's go to YouTube. Let's see if it's real, guys. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's yes. I don't know. It works out for us. So we all connected. So stunt car racing, you are wrong. Okay. So first, what you gotta do is go to Lucky Patcher. Then next, you gotta do Lucky Patcher. Then you gotta go right here, stunt car racing. Open menu patches, then go here, and then apply. Now you gotta wait until it loads. I'll see you guys later until it loads. Okay, now it loads. Now what you gotta press is launch. Launch. So now gonna launch you to the game. Launch you to the game. Oh yeah. Stunt car racing. Then you are in the game. Extra boost, and not every vehicle in play, no ads. So, if you want to see that this is cheap, all you gotta do, I did all the stuff, so I'm just going to do the one that is not updated yet. So what you're going to do is go to whatever you want to press. Then go press save purchase for restore. Press yes, right? Then what you gotta do is exit the game and take out the page, then go back to the game again. Okay, so I'm back at the game right now. Now we're going to see my account. There's 20,000. Right, it's 20,020 coins. And now we're going to see 25,000 and 20. And we're going to see how to do that. You can go paint, cancel, basic paint, and there's 2 different details and all of the upgrades. So you're gonna need to get more of this stuff. Okay, now that's how you stunt car racing player with Lucky Patcher. If you want me, so you guys please subscribe to my box to get to my channel and like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.